Okay, I'm out today with the Impact and the Simplex. I'm gonna hunt alongside these bushes and the strip of grass. I'll compare the two. I'll mark off 5 targets using the Impact first, and then I'll go through with the Simplex on them, and then I'll mark off 5 targets with the Simplex, and then come back through with the Impact, and then we'll dig them up. Okay, we're gonna go DI4 on the Impact. It'll be a little bit chatty though. Gain, try to keep the chatter down, 75. I set, let's put it on factory on 1. Frequency 14 kilohertz. Got my first target here. Target 1, Simplex. Oh, I see it already. Got a coin. Just a zinc penny at about 1 inch. Target 2 with the Impact. Low tone. About 2 inches. Okay, target 2 with the Simplex. Park mode. Impact was definitely hitting that better. It's more of a blip on the Simplex. I'm just seeing it. Piece of tin foil. Alright, target 3 at the Impact, right next to target 2. High 30s, mid 40s. Alright, target 3 here with the Simplex. Another one over here. Oh, right there. Got a clad dime. Clad dime about 4 inches. 4 with the Impact, somewhat of an iffy signal here under the bushes. Not really coming in that good. Target 4 with the Simplex. This one was kind of iffy on the Impact. Park mode on the Simplex. Not really picking it up that well. Let's try field. Okay, Okay, I'm going to move on from target 4. I can't locate it. I'm thinking it's a very small piece of iron. There's a nice clean signal, target 5 with the impact. Target 5. Yeah, you got a chunk of iron right there. So I'm supposing that's more iron. Got a big chunk of iron down here. Yeah, I can feel it. Alright, we'll leave that. Big chunk of iron. There it is, here it comes. Here it comes. What is that? What the heck is that? Oh, it's an old gas cap. Interesting. Okay, this time we'll locate 5 targets with the Simplex and then come back through with the impact. Target number 6 with the Simplex. Might be a double target. Definitely a double target. Yeah, we'll dig them both up. We'll mark them both off as target number 6. Okay, here's target 6, the double target with the impact and DI4. I'm going to dig the one up on the right first. What do we got? Is that it? Yeah, we got a piece of scrap iron here. Now, here's the target on the left. I think this one's a little bit deeper. Okay, here's the target on the left. I'm going to move on from this target because I'm getting close to the neighbor's yard here. And even though we're friends, I just don't want to be putting holes in his yard. Kind of like on the border here, but it's going to be another super deep one. And maybe I'll come back to it another day. Now, here's a nice one on the Simplex, target number 7 here. Hitting in the 90s, but it's jumping around a bit. I don't think that's a coin based on that that pinpoint sound. Okay, target 7 with the impact. I'm gonna go get the enforcer and I'll be back. Okay, I don't recommend digging like this in your local park. I'm in my own yard, so for the purposes of this demonstration, I can do it. Yeah, that's what I thought. Roofing nail. Alright, let's see what this one is. Target 8 with Simplex. Okay, target 8 with the Impact. Here we go. Whole bottle cap. Target 9 with the Simplex. Okay, target 9 with the Impact. We got a coin. Zinc penny. Okay, target 10 with the Simplex. Target 10 with the Impact. Take a break, dog. Take a break. Look at that, we got a lighter right there. Okay, thanks for watching.